welcome to Absolute Beautiful Cooking with Devon. I'm Devon and I'll be your host. Today we will be making dairy-free Rice Krispie Treats. We will need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, and 5 cups of Rice Krispies. First, put the coconut oil in the pot. Once you have the coconut oil in your pan, put over low heat on your stove. Make sure have adult supervision or have your camera mom turn it on. Stir until all coconut oil is melted. When the coconut oil is melted, add the marshmallows. After the marshmallows are in the pot, you continue to stir until the marshmallows are melted. As soon as melted, remove from heat. Ooh, steady, steady. Okay, then turn off. Then turn off stove and add Rice Krispies. Then stir. Mix until Rice Krispies and marshmallow are fused. That means mixed. Then we spread the coconut oil on the pan. Add all Rice Krispie Treats. Press them evenly into the bottom of your pan. After the Rice Krispie Treats are cool, cut and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And ring the bell. Make sure to go under this video, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up.